Hit a tape. Ever bless your rate. Ever bless people. We are in Portland. And today, guys, we're gonna be visiting with this little hot kitchen. And in the same space, we have Jimmy TV, and Usher in Adventures. And I'm gonna be introducing you to them, my people. Can't get it better than that. No joke. Miss Nika, I come into your kitchen now. Fix up your pepper for me, please. Now make it burn. No, I'm a pepper lover. I like to. But you know, see, you see me put, me put high for me put right in time, Richard. Mr. Jimmy.
Yeah, man, man.
Oh, man.
See you ever bless. Shallows.
Man.
Adventures.
Yeah, this coming like it's a
Miss Little Hot Kitchen.
yeah.
Miss your kitchen hot, my people.
Mr. Just a match up something, you know.
Yeah, man.
Last come to the rest.
Oh, Lord. Mrs. Jimmy. You're full of vibes, eh? You're full of vibes, eh? And if you got your name again, one kunte. One kunte, man.
Juice bar.
Juice bars. Chano. So many people. You know, so we visit Mr. Kitchen right time.
Foot well high up.
Well high up.
If a chicken back high up on him, foot definitely.
Right. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we carry these gentlemen here just to make them to expose them to where we are. For all we are watching and introduce them to each channel, them, you know, them no get no zeal. So we say we are travel with them and see where them are going to do after. So we are make them know say they need to stop. Watch the whole heap of gun show them.
Yeah, man,
and watch the real
Reality show.
yeah, man, a reality show them. Yeah, man.
Reality show. them.
Real get to
Them they
lifestyle outdoor.
show them. They show them there.
Yeah, man.
I see him, man. I see get shoot down. Next week, I watch the show again. I see him again. A boom flick and
All right, and we are going to move and leave a little space again. Yeah, man. So where you then?
Then the school.
Okay.
Go on, Jimmy. You see this fire? You come like say find my alone in the night today.
wake up.
Too lazy.
So I wonder if we can swing 2 buckets before we go down.
Yeah, man, this bus can't do that for it, man.
We should have.
Come give me a little fire in this thing. Give me one hour. I don't know if you like it, fire.
I'm also here.
Do you think Cam Jam next space here?
Oh, why you got Patrick?
Gone.
Let me see it.
One more?
Get the matter. Looks like it's fire now, so.
Run, man, they have a plan.
Please never forget more.
It's what a mission over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a mission over there today.
Yeah.
That man I cook today, but from a little I cook everything go on.
And that are 2 different. You call it one different
man.
We're falling the way.
You know, say for them.
You must have done.
Yeah, man.
So we meet them.
I don't know them ever no man. I don't put them down for 9 days already under garlic and water for purge out, you know, garlic and vinegar and purge out. So yes, after them time they come. Yeah, man, I don't know. I said, man, any crew and I go and I must do it, you know.
I must have that time. Let me send my message to you and I say, Jimmy, may I come?
Yeah, man.
so
But I will leave them the boat turn up and down, you know, so we can organize up a thing and draw them.
So you're saying that them phone has something to small?
Yeah, I'm going to tell them, man. As a draw for your greater, so you see them, you know. Yeah, man.
You're skilled. You like the correct man. You like the correct man.
Yeah, man.
The column there when you see when I pull it, it's really unusual.
True.
Brother Pete, let me tell you something. It's very few. Anybody round the cutout and watch I wouldn't company see.
True.
Yeah, man.
True.
So we can just soon and know about
Yeah, man. So I'm gonna see it, man. I see it in the neck,
You must see me a joke with you.
I see it, man.
Yeah, man, really appreciate
True.
the things that you guys do.
Yeah, man. And as well, I say still in it. You see the in colors. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, that's the foundation of the thing. See when we see where build the houses and we have to get the foundation, the footing. Well, that's the colors. Yeah, man, I am a footing.
So
That's all the way you see I go on right now.
So you realize you know when you watch it. That means you know what your second to last.
When I get to see
Me
it.
say Miami.
Yeah, man. It's not a joke.
When you just start calling him, so I'll call him so.
You see in that back kitchen there, right? The dining room, the new part of the Pata.
Yeah.
That's how we use it there.
Yes.
Daytime. Alright, that's how it was a little area.
Yeah.
So you know, say daytime when then time me and him bigger brother them because I'm more bigger than him color.
Yeah.
So me and him bigger brother than used to do this and we cook at daytime after we left school and you know, we hang out. So when him go to school now and come back, him will join with.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes.
So if you even watch one video where you talk say, I owe him $100.
Yeah.
Because me and him make a bet and say, yeah, $100.
Yes.
So he must say, right in another room there, like that one.
Yes.
That's how was a little base. And the time we come in and we cook and dumpling was my favorite thing to cook.
Yes.
So right now, as I can say, colors get the dumpling thing
Yes.
on another level.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes.
So I can't test him with the dumpling thing again. You know? You believe?
Yeah,
man, I can manage him for the dumpling. Yeah, I have to just love him with the dumpling. You know? I have to go rice.
Yes. Yeah, man. It's a good look. So, I'm sorry I get a chance to meet him today.
No.
Because I'm going to tell him.
Today Friday still, you know, but I don't feel him.
Yeah.
Hours to check in. But if you're there much more longer, maybe we'll get the chance.
Yeah, we can't wait for call if you say, well, go on me as me.
Yeah, man, you'll see him.
Yeah, because I've been crying out that on
Yeah,
my channel.
man, I real talk, man.
Him deserve to be in me for YouTube.
I real talk,
Who else is doing it? Because let me tell you how we work. I did a video. I did 3 videos on colors. I did one where we're talking about his colors in it, the next Hayamara. If you know what Hayamara spread you. See that one?
Yeah, man, we're doing rough and around the file.
You never see that one. That is true. And let me tell you something. I asked the question then, and it proved to me right. He is.
Yeah,
because there's no one else who has spread the love like
True.
I am a different guy, you know. He spread the love and spread the love. And
man.
those are the guys that really inspire me to do YouTube.
Because when I check the thing, you know, that we really need, you know.
Yeah.
The love and the unity. So the strength coming.
Yes.
If you don't have the love and the unity, the strength not go there.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So we have to exercise the love and the unity. That's how we are going to find the strength. To do anything, nothing not going impossible for it.
Yeah.
When we find that.
You don't climb and leave everybody behind you. Carry them with you.
No, you understand?
It's less stress for you.
I saw you going to get the strength.
Then the less stress for you.
Because, you know, it's the first time before even this.
Just appreciate it. I'm going to tell you something. I am just, I wouldn't mind if me did have all of my family I'll follow back on my YouTube.
True, but just in time.
Yes.
Yeah, man, in time. You have to just work and
Can't
pray.
John Cooks is my nephew.
Yeah, man, true.
Yeah, man, I'm trying to be some motivate. I'm trying to motivate.
Yeah, that's right.
My son is AI Roots and Remedies.
True.
So,
and Jimmy Smith, as I don't know.
But you might introduce yourself to me. You can't introduce yourself to me.
What you think now?
Yes.
That's my thing. Stonewall, I'm my kid. Stonewall. Yes. Enough of them you drive past on the road to come here. So, yeah. I get sick, you know. Yeah, hospital. And see, I come out of the hospital, come back here, that's and there, that's a son, I take some little time out. And I son out. Because like I said, it's easier to do for more than I lift up them big stone and things. And that's so. Cause me just sign up on the YouTube thing 2 years before that, I never really use it, you see me? Cause I don't have my trade already. You see me? And I love it. Cause even with the YouTube, you have to love it.
Yes. Exactly.
Anything at all you do. If you don't love it,
You're gonna fail.
you're not going to work out. You have to love it.
Yeah.
You see me? So you see, if you put the love in it and put it in your head,
Yeah.
can't run.
For real.
You see me? That's
Love people.
true. You have to have that. You have to love it.
Appreciate it.
Anything. If you have my clean shoes,
Yes.
if you don't love it, you're not going to do good
Right.
at it.
Can't treat it like a job.
True.
Has to be a love.
So that's it. Yeah, man, so you done say we're there.
Jimmy,
We're going to perform somewhere.
appreciate you being on my camera today.
Yeah, man, we have someone every
So
time,
man,
man.
ever bless people.
Believe
Jimmy
no man.
Simmons. Like,
Believe
share,
no
and
man.
subscribe to his page.
Believe no
And
man.
when you do that, tell him say you're coming from me.
That is
Surprise
it.
them people.
That is it.
Yeah.
And here, more want to know if you do know my people. Turn up good. Believe in yourself. That.
Okay. I wonder if them are going next month.
We don't think that.
You know cook them? Okay. Why?
Let us spare them.
Why the difference between the duck meat and the?
No, we know. My religion will not eat duck.
Okay. Because of the
Have
toe?
web foot, yeah.
Oh. Oh, are them you that call guess?
Yeah.
Me a guess too.
See your food there, something. One of the guests in the house.
Oh, yeah, fuck already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ever best people. You know how long me I work Miss Little cook. I cook a million of person before. I'm not gonna give no ratings of the food. I'm just gonna eat. I don't like eat and talk. I like hold my head down and
I eat non-stop. When I finish, I get up.
yeah.
Wow.
Thank you, son.
You know what to do with the mutton and rice. Hey.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Miss Little.
Mighty God.
A pepper, you know?
Yes, man.
That's why she her kitchen name hot kitchen.
Yeah, man.
Kitchen pepper.
Especially when you eat mackerel,
Yeah.
you have to taste the pepper.
I'm a see cat. You see?
Yeah, man.
Sylvester.
One full spin. No really. You know what? Turn on your camera. I'm going to feel it too.
So you should have first before that.
That's the food that's on the
Yeah, man. But the steak has a one.
mackerel and rice.
What not your crash? I run more and go up there. If you take up a pot and just run down the road.
You gotta have too much personal chase, yo.
Don't I realize that now. I can't get to it.
No?
Yeah, man. Good, man. Good. Awesome.
Yeah, God bless. Yeah. This is really good.
Oh wow. Contest juice? Wow.
What can I use it?
Lemon, you taste it again, taste it again. They know what I want. So you know if food good, you know, for the restaurant, for the restaurant.
Yeah, man. Juno Star. This is good. Worthwhile traveling for. Ever best people. So Miss Nico here. I'm going to be asking my people to like, share, and subscribe to our page. Yeah, all them rice and mackerel.
Oh gosh, man.
Pepper hot in.
Yeah, man. I put that for the right, okay, John.
I was greasing it.
You know, I sickle over oxtail.
Oxtail.
Yeah, and
Okay.
chicken back.
And chicken back.
Yeah. It's a favorite thing.
Where how you like the chicken back? Curry or brown stew?
Master Jesus.
Talking real things now, you know, curry or brown stew.
I'm sick of attack, you know.
Tell the people them.
You know what it's channel?
No, Mr. Tell the people them if they ain't know.
If you can't, anyway, I'm a subscriber and I ask me to ask him what Mr. Clam chicken back and how Mr. love chicken back. And I tell you, say, any style.
Any style.
Any way I want to.
Any style turn out to be the same style.
Yeah?
Yeah, same style you end up with.
Chicken back.
Yeah.
The farm name. I eat with obvious today.
Yeah.
Brown stew with soft yam, wild breadfruit and whole wheat dumpling.
Oh, Lord.
So if we know all of that, instead of we go, where even we go?
Touch it.
Instead of we go touch it like a social income.
Oh. And camp out.
Yeah, we can. Same camping. Lemonade is nice.
I know me, I remember it. That's what I'm doing.
Akuya. Ken James.
Yeah.
I've gotten some Sibla orange and juice them out.
Oh, that's simple orange.
Yes.
Okay.
I will put them in. I squeeze them out and put the juice into a soda bag. The other day, when dinner was prepared, the bottle was presented to me. After I finished eating, I turned up my head. I said,
Oh, sure.
he didn't know that it was. And if he had known, that juice would finish. This guy would juice out, but it's couple of, after a while I tell him that it was. Right. Give your food and you dash away.
Right.
Miss Little,
Look here.
Look
if
here.
the lady give you her food and you dash away.
That man I tell me, sir, there's so much I went over there. I don't hear the money pot.
So the cat I eat.
Yeah, man. I'm glad they did that for defend me. You see it, though?
Yeah.
You never know something have backup.
But in the meantime, I tell you, say, we just in that try thing with you because if you eat from Miss Little kitchen, that's not supposed to happen. Yeah, man. You're supposed to clean out quick. Alright. Because I want to see all the while. You know? Yeah, man. What do you mean? Me watch Miss Little cook up on fire. We go cook some dumpling. And when Miss Little done cook, just like how you say she share out her food and give you know, when she done cook about seven little pit, me see. About 7 little boy, me see. You hear me now? So where them a pit did that all this time? And me I watch Miss Little from she catch a fire and them a pit come and get food and me not get none. No. So Miss Little they have something on their nose where.
Just like how you come in when you're ready.
You see me right, come back for me, Miss Little. Jaja, yo, me right, come back for me.
Wow.
Yeah, man. And you see, in the meantime, we not pay attention to that. We don't hear one fall around here, so. You see the fall, eh? It's just a matter of time with him and Jimmy.
With a finger, we don't have to go finger.
In can't eat it.
Correct.
A finger that
Special.
yeah, man, special. That one that I make now over there, so
I
you
mean,
one no chance. But